I can't believe the sun is out. It's been so rainy for the past few days. We've not had sun in the longest time, right, Marzipan? Marzipan, happy? Hi guys, what's up? We are back in my mess. Yes, and the window just shut on me, which is why it became very dark suddenly. Okay, so I have a lot going on. We have to clean this. Actually, this is from my last shoot, which was my statement earrings. You guys have watched the video. If you haven't watched it, check it out here. Took Mars down for a walk and the usual, work calls, emails, all of that. Now we are gonna quickly shower. We're gonna go to Zara, and I'm actually not going for myself. My friend Sana, she recently had twins. She wants to get some new clothes, so I'm going to advise mostly and not shop. I hope I don't shop. But yeah, let's see how that goes. Remember this? Yeah, I like this shirt for sure. So much for not buying anything. Okay folks, we are back and I'm back in my not rain clothes, my home clothes, because it was raining so much. My dress was drenched, and yeah, it started off as a nice sunny day and now it's again rainy. I know this is the monsoon and we need the rain and stuff, but it's just really blah. A couple of things I wanted to talk to you guys about. Yes, I did get some stuff. I will show you what I got. But first, I'm famished. I want to eat some lunch. Having some nice prawn curry rice for lunch, which you're seeing right now, which is really, really yummy. You guys know it's one of my favorite things to eat. But I'm also addicted to this new app that Meta has launched, which is Threads. Are you guys on it? Are you guys posting? I'm going to link my whatever handle below, and if you're on it, follow me there. And it's I've got mixed feelings about it because it's really a lot like Twitter, but better in a way, I guess, because of the Instagram sync where all my followers didn't get synced for sure. It says when you start the app, you can follow people that you're following on Instagram, and I still see people that I follow on Instagram that I have not followed here. Randomly they pop up and then I follow them. So yeah, obviously there are going to be interface hiccups and stuff, but the interface is really nice, and I feel like the conversations so far have been really positive and everyone's quite excited. Hope it stays that way. It's raining, I'm getting dramatic, and I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, guilty pleasure.
Hi. You're in the middle. I know. I said that we'll stop. We'll take a break.
Okay, peeps. First things first. Tell me, are you team Courtney or team Kim in this feud? I am so invested in this episode. I had to pause it and get back to doing work here. Where I was like, no. But yeah, are you guys watching? Okay, so what did I get from Zara? Okay, here I put my camera on the tripod so it's a little far away from me. I didn't go with the intention to buy anything, but you guys saw this suit in my last vlog. Weber was filming me and I said this is my dream suit. So yeah, I got the blazer, which was it's originally 8,590 down to 3,990. I bought both the skirt and the pants, so I can actually wear this with a skirt if I want to, or I can wear it with trousers. And I thought it'd be really cute. Why? Because I also have a neon, not a neon pink, but like a Rani pink blazer. Remember, blazer and pants with the sleeveless one. So I thought I could do like, like a. And there's a lot of traffic. I know. I'm sorry, but it's like bang annoying me as well. So like wear these with like this and like use both with each other. So yeah, got the skirt and the pants. I think the skirt was 1590 and it was originally about 3,000 bucks, so about 50% off. And it's a cute mini which I can wear otherwise as well. The trousers again can be worn with something else or like this. 3,000 down to about 2,000. This cute little silver bag. Now I needed like a silver bag for like my formal stuff, for weddings, for other stuff which I didn't have, and this was I think 1,000 or 1,100 on discount, and it's just really cute and like I just thought it'd be nice to have, so got this. You can't really see it, but got this. Got unlucky twice in the day, no rain, it's nice and sunny. Quick evening walk before we bounce. See you tomorrow. Mama, see you tomorrow, okay? Love you. Okay peeps, I have left from one home to go to the other home, and it's been manic. I literally finished filming the Zara thing, quickly walked Mars because it was like sunny and nice and he likes to go for a walk with me when it's sunny and nice. And I've left to go for the Saturday night binge, which is us like just ordering in, watching rubbish on like online and chilling. So yeah, I mean, I feel like I have a lot of work which I will have to like continue into tomorrow, into Sunday as well. But that's okay. I've earned a Saturday night off. Hi Kalua! Come here. Come. 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 Come, Abu. Who's this cute kitty? Who's this cute kitty? Okay folks, I have just showered, gotten ready for the weekend binge. Yeah, I was with the Catus. You guys remember Kalua from earlier, and then there's Sammy obviously. They're both outside in the compound right now. Just had my bath. But first, gotta finish what we started. All new windows. Why don't we open it so that we get a good view? What do we have, Vaibhav?
So I have made some
You've made
noodles,
sure.
Chinese style, some Malaysian curry
Okay.
I have made. I just
Some fried rice?
Yeah, I have whipped up some dim sum, and that's a chicken.
It's lamb actually.
It's lamb actually. That's what I meant. I know it's lamb because I made it.
Peeps, you are not ready for this. Okay, so this is like the best dessert ever. It is the apple and blueberry pie, and it comes with this yummy like custardy cream from Americana. I wanted something hot and it looks divine. Okay, I think that's it for tonight. Gonna eat, watch, sleep. See ya. Good morning, Boo Boo. Good morning. Shamudina. Good morning. Can I sit with you? Yes, it's a medley of sounds. Weber is doing his yoga, someone is drilling, and bikes are passing. It's been a rainy Sunday. Just having some chai, and Sammy has taken my jaga, so sitting in the seat next door. But yeah, that's life. Come. She's not doing anything. Come. Aja. Come. Come, Kalua. Come. You want Sana? Going for breakfast, brunch, lunch. It's actually 1:30. We're just going out. We're going to somewhere new, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere you've never been before.
Yeah, what is it's just open or what?
Yeah, some place called what?
Called Kitchen Garden. Let's try it.
Where's Vibhu? Where's Vibhu? He's here. Come here. Vibhu's down. Where's Vibhu? Okay, this is not a very flattering angle. The camera is low and looking up at me, but we will make do. Okay, so I'm back. I have been back the whole afternoon. It's actually evening right now, 7 o'clock. After our lunch, been working the whole afternoon. Haven't done anything major. But I had a lot of packages that I haven't unboxed in a while. Oh, and I just dropped one. So I thought, why not open them with you guys and show them to you. Okay, first one is from Lilu. You guys know how much I love Gia's stuff. This is her jewelry. Ooh, this is so pretty. So you guys remember the heart necklace that I loved? Like this is a double layered one, so you can do the heart and then this. So if you want to layer it like I did layer hers in my earlier stuff, it's just super cute, super pretty, and I love it. Super pretty. Thank you, Gia. I think I know this. I think these are my tampons. I guess I have to order my tampons off Amazon because it's really difficult to get anything with organic cotton or just tampons with applicators. So I order them off Amazon. I did find this brand, Sirona, and I've been using them for a bit and they're pretty good. Yeah, I'll try and link them below for anyone that's looking for tampons because I know it's a struggle. So yeah, I keep trying different ones. Currently using these and they're pretty decent. Verse just launched on Nykaa, so they've sent some products and let me know in the comments if you guys want to review. The serum, some cleansing balm, and yeah, lots of stuff. So can't wait to try these. Thanks guys. Some new Juicy Chem what are these? Lip crayons. Oh my god. Okay, so they have sent me all these, like literally every shade possible. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to swatch these. These are lip and cheek crayons, or do a review. I don't want to like unbox this and ruin it. If you guys want me to do something, maybe I can do something. Let me know. And this is from my favorite Myra. You guys see me love her jewelry, wear her jewelry a lot. Okay, this is insane, the amount of stuff she sent me. Let me show you. Okay, so this is all the stuff, guys. Look at the amount that she sent me. There's like earrings, ear cuffs, like bracelets, necklaces. This is also pretty. Thank you. I'm really obsessed with like ear cuffs. I love how they look and feel, and I think hard to wear with one hand, but I'm gonna try. Ah! No, I need both my hands. Wait. How cool is that? Okay, folks, time to get some wine out, some snacks out, and enjoy the race with my old man. So it's our F1 ritual to watch the race together if we can. And yeah, it's Silverstone weekend, which is always fun. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Get out some wine, maybe order some snacks, order some dinner, and continue the weekend binge.
We are 9 laps into this race. Verstappen is only just over one. He's getting half the race to the start. That's exactly what.
Hamilton is close to Norris. Perez is close to Sainz.
Come on, Lewis!
Second place is Norris.
Now they're going to be running side by side through the Kingdom Woodcut. And he's still on the inside line. Will he go for it?
What a race that was! Okay, so Lewis in third, Lando in second, and Max in first. But I mean, at least the gap down to max was like smaller and the best option in the current scenario. And yeah, we ate yummy dinner like while watching, so we had like home food, plus we ate the most amazing sandwiches. So I think if you're in like town side, I don't know till where they deliver, but like 7th East Pizza in Delhi makes the most amazing meat sandwiches. Like we had the pork one, the tenderloin one. It was so good. And they have this like cheesecake pudding like thing, which is the lemon one, which I really like. So my dad ate his already. I saved mine for post my bath and like my downtime now. But yeah, it was a fun evening with my daddy. Had a drink, ate some yummy food. I feel like for all of you guys that are like adults, I would really say this: if you drink and your parents drink and you're all having a drink together, please have a drink together, because it is like Maz agrees. It's the best experience ever. As adults, it's like a really fun equation to have with your parents. And I know like we always do, like even my mom, she likes wine, my dad likes wine, I like wine, or we have rum or whatever, my dad and me, my mom has wine. But it's like a nice, fun evening, where you watch something, you drink something, you eat something. And yeah, something you should do with your parents if you don't do it with your parents yet. I think this is where the vlog ends. This was a real raw, random 2-day vlog. Like I like to do them for you guys, which is like, not planned and not necessarily at an event or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, and then tomorrow I'll be editing this and uploading this for you tomorrow itself, so it's fresh. So if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite part from this one. See you guys. Bye. Have a good week, guys.